This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is September 11th, 2019. This is where I gotta go to a lady's house and see if I can get a water filter apart. She can't get it apart. She said she wants me to change the housing. As I get it apart with my pipe wrench, I'll have to see what's going on with it. Might have to run out and get another filter for her. So we'll see, going to try to take care of a damsel in distress. Anyway, we'll see what's going on with this one. I don't think it's gonna rain today or tomorrow. It seems a little cloudy. Try to get you some shots. Alright, so I got it off and I got these bleeders open. And I can't get it off. Yeah. Oh, we don't need a little extension for it. See if that'll work. There it comes. That's all. Persuasion. Some key grease on it for her. It's got a vent here. Oh, thing's pretty nasty. Get some of this key grease in here and this should be fine. Help it to come apart next time. Got two filter wrenches down here, a black one and a blue one. I don't think there's anything wrong with this thing, to be honest with you. Should take care of it. Pretty gnarly. Oh, you love working. Yeah, you love working. Yeah, I know you love working. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Miss Molly is working again. Oh, yeah, you working again? You love working. You love working. You love working. You love working.